Hello and welcome to Security on Screen. I'm at the Dubai Police Headquarters to learn more about the World Police Summit conferences, which include a strand on drones. I'm joined by a drone expert from Dubai Police. Tell me, why should a delegate attend the drones conference? Exactly what is to be gained?
All right, let me answer this question first with the preface. Drones are a very evolving technology, especially in these days. We see new use cases every now and then in different domains. So this conference is dedicated to explore all of these use cases and multiple domains, and to talk with the different experts in this field, to exchange information and learn the latest best practices and use cases.
Thank you. So tell me, what will be the hot topics under discussion at the drones conference?
So we'll be talking about the new phase of drone usage, especially in public security, using beyond visual line of sight technologies. We'll be also focusing on counter unmanned area systems, especially from a public safety perspective, and how to work with different stakeholders, specifically with the regulators, and how to secure and safely operate in a civilian airspace.
How are Dubai Police using drones to assist in crime prevention?
Dubai Police uses drones in multiple ways. Most prominently is that we use drones for first responders to respond to different incidents. However, we have developed specialized teams to use drones in their specific workflows, and try to carefully select and handpick different use cases where we can replace these workflows with drone usage to ensure the safety and security of our personnel, and to provide the best service we can to the public.
So how can unmanned aerial systems be used in crime scene investigations?
This is a very specific use case. However, drones can be used to collect evidence during a crime scene, and then digitally reconstruct this accident for further investigations, and to have a digital record whenever needed to go back to the scene and to figure out different evidence that might resolve the accident.
So would you say that there's more to drones beyond surveillance?
I believe surveillance was the key driver of using drones, especially that you don't really need to build a big infrastructure around it and try to have an enhanced situational awareness. However, today I see drones evolving and replacing multiple use cases, especially in the public safety domain. We see drones now, for example, assisting SWAT teams. We see drones being used to replace traditional public safety workflows. So it's picking up attraction, and there is a lot of focus on how to move drones from beyond being a surveillance tool to actually being a tool that can serve specific applications.
Well, thank you very much for taking time to expand out what we can expect to hear about if we attend the drones conference at the upcoming Police Summit. We appreciate you taking time to speak with Security on Screen.